For rich or poor, we won't be broke, but baby, even if a nigga ain't rich, remember me like this.
So y'all, I'm in Target right now, and right now all I have is this, but I'm still looking. This Target has everything. Like, it has 2 sections of just personal care, and y'all know me, baby, could love me some personal care. So yeah, I'm about to just look around and do what it do, and then I'm gonna give y'all a haul when I'm done. So yeah, I really came here for some aloe vera gel though, but yeah. So now I'm at Gabe's and I'm looking for stuff for my lash area, so we're gonna see what we can find. I'll probably find some other stuff in here, so yeah. Kind of stink. So I just got my mail out the mailbox and I'm about to do this fart spray prank on my sister, but I'm gonna keep it short and cute because I ain't got no storage, so yeah. Alright y'all, so this is what we got. Sorry about the lighting, just deal with it. Finna open it be up and I'm finna do what it do, because yeah, I don't know how this stuff smells yet, and this is stinking good. Got it from Amazon, so if y'all want to get it from Amazon. But yeah, y'all. You want these? Let's say I'm off today. I don't want these. And like, huh? Let's say I'm off today, but I did take the night. So what you gonna do? Yeah. That shit, my stomach hurt. Oh, I ain't Already 16. Let's pray it again. No, she can't have that. Huh? She can't have that. I said get her one of them. No. Now one of them got a man. I didn't get. You got it from I'm not. That's what I'm doing.
And on God, don't spray that shit on me. Don't spray that on me.
Wait.
That shit stank.
Oh, the ride with the window down. You gonna smell it, kid.
Oh, my fucking stomach hurt, y'all.
Morgan.
You good?
Get the fuck out. You always want fucking bullshit around this shit. These motherfuckers calling out, bitch. Get the fuck out. You and your funky ass fart spray need to go with fucking Martin, and I'm not fucking playing small. I don't even want to.
He left me.
Bitch, wall, catch up to him. Fuck your track runner. You could catch up to him.
We're good.
Oh my gosh, I'm dead. I'm dead. You can't fucking kill. Bro.
It's dark, but good morning, y'all. I just got back from the beach and my boyfriend surprised me with a dog, y'all. So meet Draco. Say hi, Drakey, baby. Say hi, Drakey, baby.
Nah, you can never know. I just said that. I would never hit you.
Your secret's safe with me.
But yeah, I'm already bothering him. He's been here for 2 days and he's been shitting and pissing everywhere.
I mean, the guy's always bragging on social media about
He's so cute.
So he might be using investment properties as stash house. Yeah, I'm working on it. It's worth a shot.
He always wants to bite.
I'm no computer whiz kid, but if you put up another screen, I can. I'm on it. No break. You know, I never saw anybody use this chessboard.
Killers behind me as I'm chasing my dream. But it's been too long to last they permanent scars. They say keep it close, but I can't. I'm the real definition of a falling star. And when I'm walking on Hey, Charlie, light this bitch up. Left side, right side. 3, 2, 1, set. When you leave, I be wanna know the distance. I hope you ain't. So you talking down the hill, niggas go to from a cell to a mansion. We ain't dropping out. I've been trying to talk it out, but it ain't shit to talk about. Niggas that I grew up with it. I feel some men, I want them niggas. But they got caught, I had it. I wonder what happened when man, I'm trying to boost your rank, don't wanna.
Good morning, vlog. Say good morning. Good morning. But anyway, y'all, I'm eating Takis. Yeah. Stop. And yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And mommy do this, mommy do this, mommy do this, mommy do this. And watching Bad Mama. Yeah. Ow!
You're out tonight, not make it back inside tonight.
Goodbye, no use meeting without you. This is where our story ends. Never lovers, ever friends.
Let that shit ride, 88.
Goodbye.
Anyway, y'all. My nails done. You like my nails? Yeah. I love them. I love them. You want to come up here? Come. Hey. I can't pick you up. You're doing too much. All right. You don't want to come up here. Anyway. So, now he's trying to get up here. I threw the party of the century. People came over, no one left sober. But it was all for you, Drakey boy. It was all for you. But anyway, y'all, I gotta watch him do y'all. Why are you sitting like that? All right. Oh, all right. So, as y'all saw, I just finished getting my nails done. And I love them. I always get short nails because, as y'all know, I'm a lash tech, so I don't want no claws. I want to be able to grip the tweezers, but yeah, my right here, so I'm gonna go. I'm not going to work because I need to get him a crate and I need to fix my lace. Okay. Anyway, so I need to get my big man a crate. And right, big man? I need to get him a crate. I need to get him some more toys, and I need to clean up because this house, and I want to go to the gym. So we're going to, what we're gonna do first, big man? What we gonna do first, big man? What we gonna do? Ow. Okay, we're gonna clean up first. Then we're gonna go to the gym. Then we're gonna get a crate. We're gonna get you a crate because you're not sleeping in the bed no more with mommy and daddy. You're not sleeping in the bed no more with mommy and daddy. You're not sleeping in the bed no more with mommy and daddy. Sorry, y'all. I really missed my baby today. I already started, but it's my first time trying this High Smile toothpaste. It's my teeth before. I just started brushing. I just touched this. Obviously, y'all see that I just brushed this. And we're gonna see the after results. I'm gonna get the brush because yeah, I wanna see if it's really giving what people say it gave. And if it is, then I'm gonna go buy some. If it's not, then I'm not. So yeah. But this is what my toothbrush looks like though. But anyway, I'm about to brush my teeth pieces. Okay, so this is what it looks like. That's after the first brush, but now I'm gonna go in with my regular everyday toothbrush. Toothpaste, which is also High Smile, but this is the sodium fluoride anti-cavity toothpaste, watermelon flavored. And I just didn't want to put the purple one on my tongue because, yeah. So I'm gonna go in with that, and I'll show you what my teeth look like after. I don't really see a difference right now, so this is my teeth. Oh, look a little cussy right now. I'm just let him play. He's just a baby. He really shouldn't be outside, but he's bored in there. And I'm here with him by myself, so he out here chilling. We out here chilling, Jake. But yeah, he don't need no leash because he follow me everywhere I go. Literally, like when I stop, he bump into me. Stop, Draco. Come on. I don't want you eating stuff. It's time to go. But yeah. We finna go inside. Come on, Drake. Come here. JP. Getting some tattoos for my trip. I don't know if y'all can hear me. Hopefully y'all can, but yeah, this is the little sneak peek. This is a little end right here, and then one right there, and one right here, and one right here. So not too much, but just a little something for my little prep. So yeah. Hey y'all, so I'm done with my tattoos. And right there, trust God. It says love yours. But now I'm gonna be getting a tattoo. And my sister finna get one.
I came straight to you.
Oh. Guys, we're in Smoothie King. Get one smoothie. Ooh, I look amazing. Jesus. Yeah, we all do. And then stop it. Redonkulous it is. Why? What's this place?
This way.
This is
Please do
the
not
wing.
pull the door. Nia, it's straight up pull the damn door.
This is Wing Zone.
I
But
can see a menu or something.
yeah. Anyway, I got a berry punch with vanilla protein.
Is it food here?
Me and my son, I'm taking him to get his first shots. You don't know where the fuck you going. Are you scared? Are you scared, Vicky? So right now, I'm doing my hair. I did this. Well, I decided to go pee. Yeah, I'm a Barbie girl, in a Barbie world. But I don't have a hot comb, so the top gonna be a little lumpy. But it comes tomorrow, so I'm just fix it up tomorrow. But it's still gonna eat. So I was just tired of looking hit. Yeah, don't play. 24 inches on a manhole from Amazon. If y'all want the link to this, just comment below. Cause this video is not sponsored, so I'm not just gonna put them on here. But yeah, this should sponsor me. But yeah, I'm just flat ironing my hair right now. Watching Netflix.
And I got a chair in the back seat for a nigga.
Hoes back here playing. But y'all, we about to go get sushi. Tell them to stay tuned for the goddamn match. Yeah, Monty said stay tuned for the match because we're gonna be doing a match. But we about to go get sushi. Yeah, my vlog looking like that.
Can you crop out my lips? I know my shit look busted. Damn! All the bitches on the kitchen screen when you do that.
Don't get smacked. Alright, for the first course, I got crab rangoons and shrimp tempura. Shrimp, the same shit? I got shrimp tempura and gallos. What you get? Ew.
Tastes like, it tastes like raw fish and rice.
Second course.
First is good and spicy shrimp.
Thank you.
So this side of it.
I rated it 8 out of 10.
Mine was a 9 out of 10. Hers is a 0. It's a 0 out of 10.
Mine was good.
Like a 7.5.
Yeah. My shit was good.
I felt my hand.
I don't fuck with you. This is you. Don't even talk. When I hop out that car and put your name out. I really want to.
You're pregnant. I do it.
Bitch, why the fuck you gonna ruin my fucking.
Making some of these plates out of your
Thank you. So anyway, I was trying to tell them that I'm pregnant, but she gonna ruin it.
Because I knew it already. Like,
She gonna say she pregnant. I couldn't even say it.
they're not pregnant.
But yeah, I'm pregnant.
So when you figure that out, man?
Last week.
Okay. What was your favorite thing you ate today?
My favorite thing that I ate today was my sushi. The other one, the one without the orange stuff on it.
Without the orange stuff. And
And
she
the
looked.
crab rangoons was bussin'. Mostly when I go places, it don't be bussin', but it was bussin'.
No, I said your favorite.
I know, but they didn't go.
What was your favorite thing you ate today?
My gyozas.
What is that? Tell them what it is.
Dumplings.
Tell them what it is, though. Fried, steamed.
It's fried dumplings, fried pork, I think. Monty's favorite thing was the tempura shrimp that we got as our appetizers. So yeah, but yeah, actually I'm gonna change my rating because my rating is really a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Guys, what's the tip? This bitch put 2 o'clock. What was your favorite thing?
Goddamn. I don't know. None of that shit was called. But the one with the cooked shrimp on the inside. I mean the cooked salmon.
Oh.
What was your favorite?
Good morning, y'all. I'm up early because I have some clients today, but my dog literally, he bit my lip twice, but this time he pulled some skin off. And I put it back over, but it was burning. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready. And I'm gonna take y'all with me when I do my clients. I'm sorry, I'm allergic to dogs, so every morning he be having me up. But I'm about to take my allergy medicine and get ready. I have a client in about an hour, so okay. Also, yesterday I was doing my hair and he was doing too much and I burnt my neck. So, that's great. Alright, so I never ended up taking y'all with my clients, but I got done with that. My boyfriend just surprised me with some roses because, you know, your girl cycle just came on. And I just love him so much, and now he's going back out to give me some Takis. So, yeah. That's gonna be all for the vlog. Stay tuned for some more, but thank you for watching and I hope y'all enjoyed. Love y'all.
For rich or poor, we won't be broke, but baby, even if a nigga ain't rich, remember me like